Hello everyone! Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Eksa E7000 Fenrir gaming headset. This is a professional gaming headset aimed at the everyday gamer. But before we get started, as always, let's unpack it and see what's inside. Right out of the box, we have the user manual, adapter, and the headset themselves. The Eksa Fenrir E7000 is a professional gaming headset exclusively developed with a focus on ergonomics. This ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, which means you can play for hours without feeling any pain, giving you an edge over your opponent in intense battles. It has a futuristic werewolf design which I like, and has some cool monochrome lighting. The headset comes with full-size 15 drivers and virtual surround sound, providing an upgraded level of audio precision and delivering more immersive experience in games. The large earmuffs not only provide you with best wearing comfort, but also create a great listening experience. It features an adjustable headband, so it will fit you perfectly without any fatigue. The Fenrir E7000 gaming headset has really made me step up my game when it comes to gaming. Having a high-quality microphone that works with any voice chat program is essential, so your teammates, playing partners, and even your enemies can all hear you clearly. I personally love the 120-degree rotating microphone and cannot find any downsides for it. The audio is crisp and clear, not too loud and not too soft, but just right for any type of environment. The bass can be felt, which makes for great game effects. I also love how comfortable my ears are whenever I wear them for long chats. This is one of the best budget gaming headsets I have ever reviewed, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a highly competitive gaming headset. So, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.